Welcome. This videos we're going to see the spoken Hindi through English. First, we want to know the types of sentence or structures which are most often used in day-to-day life. So let's see the type of sentence or structures before viewers. Subscribe our channels and share with your friends and put your valuable comments also. Thank you. Now let's see the type of sentence which are often used in day-to-day life. Daily life. Sentences. So first one we use the command, that means order, request, these things, command, either order or request. Then negotiations, bargains, or then negative sentence, sentences, and then you ask the questions, So these are the basically sentence or sentence structures we use in daily life spokens. So we start these classes, continue the next video onwards, one by one, commanding, order, request, the same way as the negative sentence, on that how to frame the negative sentence, the commandings, and negotiation, how to start the negotiation, or how to reply the answer, or reply the questions, reply or answer. These things we going to see step by steps. So you like these videos, or you would like this kind of classes, then subscribe us and comment it, share with your friends. Thank you very much.